So here are three redstone clocks and how they work. So redstone clocks are an important part when you an important thing when you just want to repeat something over and over again. But there are multiple variations of them, and this video shows three of them: the observer clock, the repeater clock, and the piston clock. The piston clock is something I found out probably never exists until now, so yeah, crazy. So the first is very well known as the observer clock. You put two observers facing towards each other, and they emit a redstone signal. A redstone signal. It is breaking now, which is crazy. So how this works is wait, hold on. It'll be better if I get a pickaxe, dude. How this works is whenever observers detect a change, if I put like redstone here, and then if I put like an observer facing to me, and when they detect a change, they briefly light up on the back. And other observers can detect that brief light up in the back. So when you put this one, and when you put them in a clock pattern, and you put them facing towards each other, you gotta have this up and down thing too. This one lights up, which then detects. This one then lights up, which is then detected by this one also lighting up, and then it just repeats the cycle. Now the second one is a different one. It is the repeater clock. It's also very known. You place four repeaters in a circle. You can the better way is to set it to the highest setting, and then you put redstone dust in the center, and then you put torch in the middle, and then break it like immediately after. And then now it is always going to be emitting a redstone pulse. But what you can do to make it faster is due to the first setting. So if you change all of them now, it's way faster because like there's like virtually like really less delay. So what it does, it just keeps repeating, and like it keeps traveling in a circle, never stopping because there's literally nothing to stop it. And finally is the piston clock. So there's a piston, a sticky piston, two slime blocks, and then a block of redstone. And then once you start this redstone, it's gonna go crazy like this. And this is good because like it emits a really short pulse that are like it's a really short pulse. So that's like the only con on this. Everything else is like good because it's fast paced, and the way to stop it is you literally break the block under the redstone block, because that's just how fast it moves. So you have to break the piston. You have to break the piston, yeah, I have to hold. And then it might shift. So that is all three of it, but I have to explain this one first, so let me do it once it goes to A, yeah. Let me explain it. So what happens here is, so the slime blocks, so when you place the redstone block, it powers the piston, pushing the slime blocks and the redstone forward, but then it's not powered anymore. So then it retracts it, and then but then it's powered again. So it pushes forward, and it just keeps doing this forever. It is also a way to launch someone. I don't know. Anyway, if you do, yeah, you can launch someone off a cliff as well as yeah. This would be a really good trap for like that spell trap. I think. Dude, this one I forgot to use. I'd really love to use this. Yeah, so that's how you do it. No way. That's how you do it.